Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add custom fields in Bitform. Let's get started. First, open your Bitform dashboard, and click on the Create First Form button. Next, choose the built-in Simple Contact Form template. Now, give your form a name. Then, add the necessary fields from the left sidebar into the form builder, and customize them according to your needs. Once done, click on the Update button. Now, let's preview the form to review the custom fields that you have already added. Here you can see that your custom contact form is ready to use. That's how you can easily add custom fields to your contact forms in WordPress using Bitform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.